Hey, well done for completing day 5. Now I know that day 5 had a really difficult challenge at the end, so it must have taken some perseverance that you had to draw out of yourself in order to actually do it. Now, at this point in time, you might be feeling a lot of the same feelings that I had when I first started learning how to code, which is this overwhelming sense of like, maybe this is not for me because everything is so overwhelming and I don't understand it and it's just not clicking. Maybe I'm not meant for this. Maybe I was born to be a lobster, instead of a programmer. But you know what happened? I continued, I persevered, and at some point it actually all started clicking. It started making more sense. So just trust in the process, keep showing up and just put in those reps every day. And I promise that by the end of the course, you will not feel like this. You will feel like you're on top of this and you got it. This is going to happen. So keep going, keep doing what you're doing. You're doing a great job.